How to wrap Tefillin, Nusach Sephardi. We begin with the shel yad, the arm Tefillin, placed on the weaker arm closer to the heart. First, roll up your sleeve, revealing your bicep. Slide your arm through the loop and position the box on your bicep, facing the heart. Then, say the first blessing before tightening around the bicep. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Asher Kideshanu Bemitzvotav Vetzivanu Lehaniach Tefillin. Tighten the knot, then wrap the strap twice more on your bicep to form the letter Shin on your bicep. Then, wrap the strap downward 7 times around the forearm. Excluding the transition between your bicep to your forearm, you should have 10 total straps on your arm. 3 on your bicep, and 7 on your forearm. Once you're done wrapping the arm tefillin, loosely wrap the strap around your palm to keep it from dangling. You'll finish the hand wrapping after the shel rosh. Next, the shel rosh, the head tefillin. Sephardim do not recite a blessing for the head tefillin unless they spoke about unrelated matters in between placing the arm tefillin and the head tefillin. If one spoke about unrelated matters, one should recite a blessing before placing the shel rosh. If you did not speak in between, then do not make a blessing. The blessing for placing the shel rosh, if one spoke, is Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Asher Kideshanu Bemitzvotav Vetzivanu Al Mitzvat Tefillin. Place the box above your forehead, between your eyes. Some find it easier to remove the kippah while putting on the head tefillin, but don't forget to put it back on right after. The knot rests at the base of your skull. Make sure the tefillin box sits right above your hairline. Then, gently bring both straps down in front of your shoulders. Now let's return to the hand. Wrap one strap around the top of your middle finger. Then, twice more in the middle and the bottom of your middle finger to form the letter Shin, and finish by circling the rest of the strap around your palm. Finally, tuck the excess strap securely into your palm to keep it firm. Congratulations! You just wrapped tefillin.